It's January and we're kicking off the new year with brand new training. So let's take a look. If you're someone who writes reports, builds spreadsheets, or creates presentations, then AI Essentials with Microsoft Copilot training with Jonathan Barrios is definitely worth checking out. You'll learn how to create documents instantly with Microsoft Word AI, analyze data and formulas in Excel, and design complete presentations in PowerPoint. You'll also learn to use Copilot Chat for prompts and image generation and avoid common mistakes that waste time. This course is designed for professionals who rely on Word, Excel, or PowerPoint and want to streamline their work with AI. Project managers, analysts, admins, and marketers will especially benefit from practical Microsoft Copilot training that saves time and improves results. Next, it's Scott Pletcher's AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer Associate training that gets you ready to take the MLA C01 exam. Companies are already paying for AWS AI services, and they're eager for machine learning engineers and DevOps pros who can extract value from AWS tools and get them a return on their investment. This course gives you a mix of automation, data, and deployment expertise that often leads to salaries well above average in both IT operations and cloud development roles. You'll explore key AI and ML services like Amazon SageMaker and AWS Glue and see how to apply them in your everyday work. You'll get hands-on with tools that simplify, accelerate, and enhance the way you use the AWS ecosystem. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to take the MLA C01 certification exam. And finally, it's Network Penetration Testing Essentials with Eric Corin. This training prepares penetration testers, cybersecurity professionals, and red team operators to pass the PEN-200 exam and earn their OSCP certification. You'll gain deep experience in areas like enumeration, privilege escalation, and Active Directory exploitation as you apply tools like Metasploit, Kali Linux, and tunneling frameworks in real-world scenarios. The PEN-200 exam is a challenging, hands-on, 24-hour-long test. Passing it takes solid technical knowledge, practical experience, and strong time management. It's widely regarded as one of the most challenging professional-level cert exams in cybersecurity. If you're serious about a career in offensive security, this certification is absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe here to get the latest from CBT Nuggets. And if you haven't yet, sign up for a free trial and see everything CBT Nuggets training has to offer.